This is a question on conduction. So define what conduction is, which is the process of transferring thermal energy without any flow of the material medium. For part B, just note that while solids are generally good conductors of thermal energy compared to, say, water, liquids, or compared to gases. However, within solid itself, there are also different speeds of conduction. So if you compare metal and rubber, metals are always better conductors of thermal energy because they, in addition to the densely packed particles that can collide and transfer energy in conduction, the metals have additional free moving electrons that are able to help transfer the energy throughout the solid. So metals are always better conductors of thermal energy compared to other types of solids. Now, for part C, very interesting question, and let's take a look at the answer. Now, when you wrap paper around a metal rod, the paper will not burn so easily. It's similar in concept as if you put a fire, put a flame, or put a flame to a balloon. The balloon will burn and it'll be smelly and it's all toxic and all that. But if you put water into a balloon, if you fill a balloon up with water and you put a fire to it, it will take surprisingly long for the balloon to burn. All right. In fact, if you're just using a lighter, right, chances are the balloon won't even burn up. It will just appear black, but it will not burn up. So it's the same idea when there's water to balloon, and similarly here when there's metal to paper. What the metal does is because is to draw away the heat away from the paper. Because metal is a very good conductor of thermal energy, so it can conduct away heat very, very quickly. So imagine this: the fire transfers energy to the water, to the paper, and the paper will gain all this thermal energy, and by right it should just burn, and particles are destroyed. But because there's a metal that is touching the paper, the metal draws away all this thermal energy almost immediately because metal is so good a conductor, to the point that the paper can't even store enough thermal energy to burn. So that's the reason why when you wrap paper around a metal conductor, the paper won't burn. When you fill a balloon with water, the water draws the energy away from the rubber balloon, and therefore the rubber balloon wouldn't burn at all. But on the other hand, if you wrap paper around, say, a wooden rod or a plastic rod for that matter, because this wood and plastic will not be as good as a conductor as metal, they do not draw away the heat so fast, so a lot of heat gets accumulated within the paper itself. It does burn up.